I hope you all are happy and healthy. Today, we read our chapter, Phonic Sound of A. Let us come and start our chapter. It's chapter number 4, Phonic Sound of A. Phonic sound में हम A को प्रोनाउंस करना जानेंगे. A को जब हम प्रोनाउंस करते हैं तो हमारे मुंह से जो आवाज निकलती है, वॉइस जो निकलती है वो निकलती है ए. लाइक HAT, यहाँ पर H and here is A comes in between with H and T. तो HAT hat. तो हमने क्या प्रोनाउंस किया? ए. तो A is A. HAT hat. VAN van. तो वै क्यों हुआ? Just because of phonic sound of A. Van. VAN van. Next is rat. RAT rat. It means phonic sound जो A है उसका हम प्रोनाउंस करते हैं ए. यहाँ पर phonic, there is some other examples are given of a phonic sound A. MAN man, SAT sat, CAT cat, MAP map, CAP cap and LAP lap. These all are example of A phonic sound. Next is bat, BAT bat, TA tap, P tap, CA cat, cat. Now here is some other examples are given for practice of sound of A. A sound. AD sound. LAD led. DAD dead. PAD pad. SAD said. HAD head. It is AD sound, N sound. Now N sound. जिसमें N sound हो. PAN pan. VAN van. RAN ran. CAN can. FAN fan. Now at sound. RAT rat. BAT bat. HAT hat. FAT fat. MAT mat. Now AG sound. Egg sound. BAG bag. LAG leg. RAG rag. TAG tag. GAG. Now app sound. CAP cap. Cap. TAP tap. SAP sap. GAP gap and MAP map. These all are example of phonic sound of A. We pronounce in Hindi A. हम phonic sound को हिंदी में A को कैसे pronounce करेंगे? A. Like MAN man. From this, our chapter phonic sound has been completed. I hope you all are enjoying this chapter. It's enough for today. Thank you.